Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by testing whether the spacebar fails in every program or one program. Open a text editor and press the spacebar slowly and firmly 3 times. Observe whether the key registers every press or misses intermittently. Next, connect an external USB keyboard and test the spacebar function there. If the external keyboard works normally, the problem is mechanical or localized to the laptop keyboard. If the external keyboard also fails, suspect software or keyboard settings in the operating system. Power off the laptop and remove the battery if the model allows it. Use 2 fingers on each end and lift the spacebar cap gently and evenly. Inspect the hinge and stabilizer bar for broken plastic and loose metal clips. Blow compressed air in short bursts to remove crumbs, then use 1 drop of 70% isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab to clean sticky residue. Align the hinge and stabilizer, then press the cap down until you hear a click and test the key. If the stabilizer bar or clips are broken, order laptop-specific spare parts before repair. For scissor switch damage, consider replacing the entire keyboard assembly or the switch module if serviceable. Remove the back panel and disconnect the keyboard ribbon cable following your laptop model instructions. Install the new parts carefully, reconnect the ribbon, then partially reassemble and test the spacebar function. If repair is not possible, use an external keyboard or seek professional repair to avoid voiding any remaining warranty.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.